Okay, today's follow-up video is going to be about the GreenWorks pole saw now being used just as a regular chainsaw. So we'll unsheath it. I've got a cinder block to put stuff on so I'm not cutting against the ground, because you never want to get dirt on this blade. In fact, you want to keep it oiled. Make sure you've got oil inside before you start cutting wood like I'm going to do right now. Because we've shown us cutting the branches loose, but the branches now need to be cut down to size for disposal. So being electric, we want to plug it in first. We'll loop that in there. Do an inverse loop. And then plug it in. And now, push the button. Don't push the button, it doesn't come out. Secure this. Some wood doesn't look very solid, it looks pretty rotten. It's very flexible, and you can see it flex. It gives but doesn't break, so it's just easier instead of roughnecking it. Just cut it with my saw. Second cut. That's how it cuts little stuff. Let's try it on some bigger stuff. Here. Okay, now I'm going to cut some bigger stuff, and while I'm here I'm going to show you a hack that I figured out while practicing with this, and that is, let's say you're just cutting this up for firewood. You don't really have to wear your blade out and cut all the way through the wood. You just take it far enough to where you can snap it, that's good enough. So I'm going to take this. Rather than letting that pinch my blade, at the point now where it'll just snap on its own. And then avoiding pinching also avoids the wear and tear and damage you could cause to your blade and the saw, like this. So I stop it about 4/5 of the way across, because at that point it can pinch. And so rather than let it pinch my saw, I'll let it break the wood for me. So it's just that easy. Now let's see how this works. Let's say I want to cut a piece of wood. This is really not the tool to use for cutting boards with. But if you wanted to, what would it work like? Let's find out. Let's use this one. This one is have some of the rock cut off of it. cut this way so you can see better. Both right-handed and left-handed, but you got to be careful with the cord, of course. At all times, keep the cord behind you when you're sawing. Like that. It's behind you and not any danger of coming into contact with the blade. That would be very bad. So yeah, we'll cut this whole rotten wood decently well. I need to have to hit a nail or something when you're doing this. Year-old white pine. So there you go. That's the GreenWorks pole saw being used as a regular chainsaw. See, it still has oil in it. How to tie off the cord, and how to save wear and tear on the blade by not cutting wood all the way through, by not letting it pinch when you make a cut, by stopping the cut early. After every use, I like to at least wipe it off with a paper towel or a slightly oiled rag, especially when you got so much sawdust that you just generated. This stuff really does get everywhere. Watch these air intakes, make sure you don't see a big buildup of debris and flammable sawdust in there. You can check to make sure the cap is not leaking oil. If it is, of course, this would be the point at which you sop that up and maybe tighten the cap or refill it. This seems to have a decent level in it, so I'm going to leave it like that for now because it's going to be in storage for a while. A little better, it's kind of some caked on sawdust there. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell to get notifications.